My CandidCon experience has been amazing.
My staff is very excited to be here.
The community has been absolutely amazing here. I think that they're going to leave here feeling very, very impactful. They're going to elevate their teams, their practice.
I would never be where I'm at in dentistry without conferences, and anytime there's an amazing group of people that are in it to help dentistry be better, I want to be a part of it.
It wasn't just a kind of a blank slate coming here. They really tailored it to our office's needs.
It has been such a great team bonding experience for my offices. Not only are we putting in place systems and delegating roles for each person in the office, but they're also doing little fun team outings together outside of the event. So it's really been great bonding for them.
It's an opportunity to make some relationships with people who they feel like we can leverage within each other. Especially being a tighter knit community, I'll gravitate toward that.
It's so important for doctors to set goals with their team members who are going back after CandidCon, feeling that motivation and ready to get started.
It's scary when you have a goal and you're having to jump in, but you have other people here and you have such amazing speakers that come that are professionals in the industry that can really help guide and walk you step through step on how to implement this and do it on your own.
Coming to something like this and learning their techniques and taking what you can from that makes all the difference.
Dr. Gray started this whole CandidCon meeting by saying things start gradually and then suddenly. Well, I think the offices that came to this meeting have been gradually growing their practices, and this is the tipping point for the suddenly that's going to make it really happen, and they're going to see the real growth come from this.
Please join us October 22nd through 24th in Vegas. We cannot wait to see you for CandidCon 2026. CandidCon is community. It's what you've been looking for, with like-minded doctors just like yourself. You also get continued mentorship. This is what you need.
And at CandidCon 2026, you'll have access to our ortho panel, as well as support post-event to help train your team to take you to the next level.
And the bonus, Angie, CE credits. We cannot wait to see you. Please join us. This is what you're looking to lean into, and CandidCon 2026 will not disappoint.
See you there.